All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all. Welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. Okay. So if you're a newcomer in this channel, we are Brainybite tutorial. Okay. So what we do in this our channel is that we teach everything that concerns any external exams. We'll talk about jamb. We'll talk about pursuit UTME, we talk about WAEC, we talk about Neco, alright? And we give assistance to all our candidates. Okay, so if you want to become our member, just subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all the bell notifications so that when I drop any amazing update, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out, because I promise I'll be dropping update back to back. Okay, so not only that, if you stay from this video, from the beginning of this video to the end of this video, I always have one or information for you that'll be very, very important and very, very useful to you. So I advise you stay from the beginning of this video to the very end so that you can be able to benefit from the information. All right, so as we all know that Neco exam is fast approaching. Okay, it's starting on the 19th of June to 26th of July 2024. All right, so that's when the exam is starting. So, and I believe that some persons will not be able to actually do it themselves, right? So they will not be able to do it themselves, and they will want to look for a solution or a help or someone that can be able to help them with the materials they need during the examination. Okay, so that's why we are here for you guys. Okay, we are here for you. So if you want to if you want us to help you if you want us to help you with the materials you need during the NECO exam, okay, so what you will do is to let me know in the comment section. Just tell me that you want to join our WhatsApp community, all right, on the comment section. Then I'll be right there to give you um our phone number, to give you my phone number so that you can message me directly on WhatsApp, and after that I'll add you to our WhatsApp community. All right, so now let me tell you, because I promise you that if you are going to stay from beginning of this video to the very end of this video, I'm going to give you one free something very something as a bonus, okay, for staying from the very beginning of the video to the last side of the video. Now let me tell you, we have a WhatsApp community for jamb, WAEC, Neco, and post-UTME candidates. Okay, so in that our group, everything will provide um it is basically for our 2024 registered candidates. Okay, so we provide all the information you need that will help you succeed. Okay, we'll give WAEC answers in the group free of charge. Okay, the ongoing WAEC now, people are getting it free of charge. All right, so provide Neco answers also in the group. We'll provide Neco answers also in the group for free of charge. All right, so we will give you post-UTME past questions. All right, we'll give you post-UTME past questions free of charge. All right, we'll give you post-UTME past questions, updated post-UTME past questions for all schools free of charge. All right, so and you have Neco timetable, you'll be also be getting it there for free of charge. So you'll have our mentorship, anything that concerns your jamb, anything that concerns your admission, we'll walk you through to help you to gain admission. All right, so anytime you are having any issue with your jamb, with your admission, with your post-UTME, with any form of issue you're having at all, will help you resolve the issue. So if you are any of these if you are a jamb candidate, WAEC candidate, and NECO candidate, so I advise you subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, and we will also try as much as possible to become a member of our channel, because the reason why I say so, Some updates might come a bit late on the platform, which is YouTube, but on our WhatsApp platform, any updates I get directly is coming immediately on the platform. All right, so and we don't miss out with anything with update. All right, so if you join us and become our member, believe me, we are not going to miss out. Okay, and most importantly, the very last one, when you gain admission, we all know that you'll be finding it very difficult. So like to getting cash will be very difficult for you. So and it is not all the money, the feeding money, and that you'll be getting from your parents that will sustain you in the school. So you also have a kind of side hustle that will help you. So that's why we are going to introduce and we're going to launch our program for our students next year. So um I'm not going to be reviewing the type of program or how you are going to, but believe me, we are launching our program next year. The program will help you as a student. You'll be getting some funds that will help you to succeed right in school. Okay, so all you will do is to just subscribe, then join our WhatsApp community. All right, it is very, very important. Okay, so when you join it, you will be the one to tell your friends about the WhatsApp community. You will also be the one to share with others. All right, you bring to us your sister, your brother, anybody at all. All right, so I love you guys, and this will be ending this video today. So don't forget that Brainybite still love and cherish you. So if you need the Neco, tell me you want to join our WhatsApp community on the comment section. All right, so I'll write that to give you my WhatsApp number. You message me on WhatsApp, and okay, we'll get things done for you. All right, so I love you guys. Keep winning.